Hello everyone, this is my review of this mini griddle. It's a round griddle and it has a kind of a short cord to me, about maybe 2.5 feet or less. But using the countertop and narrow plug, it should be fine. Like I said, it's a round griddle. It's good for making like eggs, cookies, pancakes, any small maybe sandwich size type of food of griddle. It doesn't have an on and off switch. It turns on as soon as you plug it in. As you can see, the light that's light up there, but it's kind of hard to see. So I turned the light off so you can see the light better. It's kind of hard to see when you have the light on, but yeah, it turns on as soon as you plug it in. So just have your stuff ready to cook when you plug it in, because it heats up. It heats up pretty fast. So I hope this review helps.